Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Zaru Soba, called buckwheat noodles with dipping sauce. We first made the Zaru Soba recipe and video back in 2013, and it's been one of our most watched videos of all time on our channel. Apparently, some popular anime characters' favorite dish happens to be Zaru Soba, so that may have something to do with it. At the end of this video, we'll show you what to do with the leftover dipping sauce and the water used for boiling soba noodles, so make sure to watch until the end. Here are the ingredients. Soba is a popular Japanese food in the US, and dried soba noodles can be found at most supermarkets. For dipping sauce, we are making from scratch today with katsuobushi bonito flakes, but you can also use either store-bought or homemade mentsuyu, which is a concentrated multi-purpose dipping sauce. You can just mix it with water, so that will be easy. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. First, we are making the dipping sauce. In a small pot, combine sake, mirin, and soy sauce, and cook at medium heat. Add the katsuobushi dried bonito flakes. Let boil for a minute, remove from heat and cool in the pot. Strain katsuobushi and mix the sauce with water. If you are using mentsuyu instead, homemade or store-bought, simply mix mentsuyu and water and set aside. Now we are going to make the soba noodle. In rolling boiling water in a big pot, add dried soba noodles and stir. After coming back to a boil, cook for 3 to 4 minutes or follow the instructions on the package. Strain and save the water and keep warm if you want to enjoy later. Cool soba noodles under running water a bit. You can also chill in ice water for a couple of minutes if you want. Then strain. We are almost ready to serve. Chop green onions to serve with the dipping sauce. Pour the sauce in a cup or a small bowl and plate the soba noodles. Zaru means a colander or a strainer in Japanese, and cold soba noodles are usually served on a slotted bamboo mat that lets water dip through. Top with some shredded nori roasted seaweed. You can serve green onions and wasabi on a small plate like this and add to the sauce if you like. Dip the noodles in the sauce and enjoy. It's so simple.
美味しい。美味しいね。
Now we'll show you how to make sobayu, served at most soba restaurants in Japan. Serve a small pitcher or cup filled with hot water you boiled soba in, and mix with the leftover dipping sauce. A lot of nutrients in the water that soba noodles are cooked in. You can enjoy nice warm soup after the cold dish. Hope you try it next time.